in your interviews. And at last, the most important topic, which is the favorite interview question in all the interviews which will be asked to you, is how you work with your deployments. So we have this business unit. Suppose in this business units we have built plenty of things. What all things we have built? We have built emails, we have built automations, we have built journeys, we have built contents. A lot of different things we have built. Suppose you as a developer would be given a test business unit to develop everything and test. And then once you got the approval that the system you have developed is working fine, you have to actually deploy to the respected business unit, which is a live production led business unit. Generally, you will be given a test business unit to develop your solution and get it approved. You will not be allowed to experiment inside the production business units. So in that case, deployment comes into picture. In deployment, you have an option called platform. Inside this platform, you have package manager. Once you go to package manager, you will be allowed to deploy whatever things you have developed inside test business unit to a production business unit. Suppose Peoplewoo Skills we used as a training business unit to get ourselves trained on entire SFMC stuff. Now we have to deploy all these data to a new business unit called Peoplewoo Consulting. Okay, whatever things we have learned, we have tested, everything is fine. Now we have to migrate it to production environment. The production environment is Peoplewoo Consulting. You might not have this, you consider this as your production business unit. So whatever you have created, you can just copy the configurations and deploy to any other business unit rather than recreating. So first, what we have created our data extensions. So we'll go to data extension folder. We'll go to our data extension folder, and so we have new batch. Okay, the data extension we have created with new batch subscriber profile, all these data extensions with new batch we have created. We will copy all these data extensions. Then we have attribute groups, contact based data model we have created, new batch attribute group we have created, we will copy this as well. Then we have created cloud page collection. We have created cloud page collection, we will copy that as well. Then we have created automations. So new batch file drop automation, transactions automations, we will copy that. Then assets are the emails, like SMS we have created, invoice we have created, survey emails, we will copy them. And then we'll go to journey. So whatever we have developed till now, we will copy everything and we'll click on save and continue. So whenever you complete a project, you have to pack all these items so that you deploy it to a production business unit. So all these items are packed. Once these items are packed, you click on next option and you click on download package. Download as zip or JSON. You can do anything. I would prefer JSON. So a package is downloaded. Now suppose you have to migrate each and every stuff to a new business unit. You have to migrate each and every step from new business unit. Suppose Peoplewoo Consulting, I have to migrate. So I'll go here. Once I go here, I will go to package manager. Inside package manager, earlier business unit I packed the items. Now in this business unit I would work on deployment. I'll click on deployment, click on deploy option, upload the downloaded package. So this was the package I done. I will create a folder new to everywhere, new batch deployment. Okay. I will select the FTP options and everything. Sender profile, delivery profile, everything we will have. We will click on next option. The package is getting validated. Once validations are complete, there are few errors. Please first create a filter data in your account before deploying this package. So you have to, remove few errors. This is a filtered definition. It is saying that parent data extensions are not available. So why you want to create a filtered data extension? But if all these errors are, okay, if all these errors are removed, we should not create a filter data extension first, because we don't have a parent data extension. We will not create this. If all these errors are removed, we can click on deploy. But it is not allowing us to deploy because in our package we have downloaded a filtered data extension as well. We have downloaded a filtered data extension as well. That is why it is not allowing us to migrate. So what we have to do is we have to go back to Peoplewoo Skills, and we have to make sure we do not download a filtered data extension. Filtered data extensions requires parent data extensions and data to be created initially. So small items I would, help you to deploy. I will click on new definition. In new definition, what we can do is we can have journey. In assets, we can have all email SMS, all the email SMS we can have. In automations, this is a file drop automation. We can have only this for now. Filter we won't have. Cloud page, we will have this cloud page. In data extensions, we can have all the data extensions which are not filtered. Like this is a filter D which we will not select. Okay, profile, specifications, purchase, and survey response we will select. Then attribute groups. Attribute group we will select. We'll click on save and continue. We'll click on package item. Once we complete the package item, we'll click on next. Download package as JSON. Once we have downloaded a JSON package, we can go to another business unit. Go to deployment, click deploy. upload the package, create a folder, select the FTP options. FTPs cannot be migrated here, only you have to select. Once you do, click on next option. So it will validate now. It has validated. So now there are no errors. I can click on deploy option. It says that deploying package. Filters generally require standards to be created first. So we have not deployed filter. In filter, we can deploy next time once the standards are complete. So these everything are deployed. Everything are deployed. So if you see, this is a journey which is deployed. You can click here. This is the